In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync your Dropbox files on your computer, whether you're using Windows or Mac. This process ensures that any changes you make locally are reflected in your Dropbox account and seamlessly across all of your devices. So let's get started and make sure your files are up to date everywhere you need them. First things first, you'll want to install the Dropbox desktop app if you haven't done so already. It's a straightforward process. Once the installation is complete, you'll need to sign in using your Dropbox credentials. After signing in, you'll notice a new local folder named Dropbox on your computer. You can find it in File Explorer on Windows or Finder on a Mac. This folder is your gateway to syncing files. Any file or folder you place inside this Dropbox folder will synchronize with your online Dropbox account, making it accessible from any other devices linked to your account. This means you can start working on a file here and pick up right where you left off on another device, offering you unparalleled convenience and flexibility. Now, let's talk about how you can check the sync status of your files. To do this, find the Dropbox icon on your system tray if you're using Windows, or the menu bar if you're on a Mac. Clicking this icon provides you with valuable information about your syncing process. You might see statuses like indexing, which means Dropbox is preparing your files to sync, or syncing X files, indicating files are currently being transferred. Seeing your files are up to date assures you that everything has synced successfully and your files are where they need to be. If you're looking to manage the space Dropbox files use on your computer, Dropbox offers some helpful features like selective sync and online-only options. These tools allow you to decide which folders you want to keep stored on your computer and which you prefer access only via the cloud. You can configure these settings by going into Preferences and then navigating over to the Sync tab. Here, you can select the folders you wish to keep on your computer while the others remain in the cloud, optimizing space usage according to your needs. Additionally, if there are files or folders you need to access offline, perhaps when traveling or during a network outage, you have the option to make them available offline. Just right-click on the desired file or folder and select Make Available Offline. This ensures you can always access critical documents without needing an active internet connection. Following these steps will help keep your files in perfect sync, so everything you need is always just a few clicks away, effortlessly accessible from your computer and devices. With Dropbox's syncing capabilities, managing your files has never been easier. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.